The next example would be slightly different. The next one, it says absolute value of 9 minus 9x greater or equal to 5. So we have to know what that means. It's the same idea. Absolute value of x is larger than a number 2. Let's call it 2. That means all the numbers that are larger than 2 units away from 0. So if this is 2 and this is minus 2, so now we're relating to the number that are larger than 2 units away from 0. So it would be all the numbers to the right of 2 and all the numbers to the left of negative 2. All those numbers would be the one that you're referring to. So it means mathematically this means all the numbers that are greater than 2 or all the numbers that are less than minus 2. So you see, this condition relates to this condition. Do we follow that? So for this example here, my x is all this stuff here. That's all I do is I say, in this example, would be 9 minus 9x, which is my x here, like that, has to be greater than, instead of 2, I have 5 here, right? So it would be 5, or, again, my x here is all this stuff here, would be 9 minus 9x less than, this is of minus 2, I have 5, would be minus 5. So these two conditions would be the same as this inequality with absolute value.
So I have a question there, right?
Yes,
there,
please.
right here. Isn't that sign supposed to be, I mean, the equation in the red, 9 minus 9x is greater than 5. Isn't that supposed to be greater and equal to 5?
Yeah, so this we just have to, yeah, we take care of the equal sign there. Yeah, you're right. You have to put the equal sign here. Right, this equal sign is still there.
Okay, I got it.
Yeah. So now let's solve this. What we do is we just we subtract 9 from both sides of the inequality here. So in this case, we get minus 14 here, and we get minus 9x. Okay. And then we have to divide both sides by negative 9, so I have to change the direction of inequality here again. So here we get minus 14 over minus 9. Okay. So it would be x is less than or equal to 14 over 9. Okay. And the other one, if I subtract 9 from both sides of the inequality, I get minus 9x greater or equal to negative 4. You can divide both sides by negative 9. I'm just going to change it to 4/9 here right away. So these would be my solutions here, or means including both of those. So if I were going to write this, we're going to put all the numbers that are greater than 14 over 9 for this one here would be 14 over 9 comma infinity, and then this one here union it with all the number less than 4 over 9 would be from negative infinity all the way to 4 over 9. So these two union would be the solution. And if you look at the actual problems that we have, part C would be a correct answer for that. Okay. We managed to work out almost all the problems in the first set. Except the last two, which are very similar to the one that actually I've done, is inequality in that form. One last